The band called Aha with the song Take On Me. One of the biggest hits of the mid-80s. I think it's from 1985, yes. Okay, bring you back in time. This is the golden age of Radio with DJ Tommy G, only here on 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Okay. Uy, shout out muna sa mga kaibigan natin sa Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liempo at iba pa. Hindi ako yung may-ari Kapangalan ko lang si Mang Tomas. Ayan, okay. We're excited then to announce to you guys na yung kanilang food truck, nasa food truck kasi yan is now located at the 7-Eleven. Paglampas lang ng tulay. Uy, madadaanan ko pa uwi Paglagpas lang ng tulay, covering Gordon Heights and balik-balik. Yan, yung 7-Eleven doon, and Babayuan, okay? Madadaanan ko, nakabike ako, tama-tama. Yeah, starting April 1 pala. Yan, okay. For the meantime, nandoon pa rin sa Alpha Mart. Alpha Mart, pagbaba ng Santa Rita Bridge. Okay? Yan, so for the best tasting lechon manok liampo at iba pa, masarap. Masarap kahit walang sauce. Oo, masarap din kahit walang manok kasi may liampo pa. Yan, so you guys give it a try, okay? And you guys know, April 1, proclaimed by the President, Proclamation number 839, declaring Tuesday, April 1, 2025, a regular holiday throughout the country. Buong bansa po, buong bayan natin. Regular holiday yan. Okay? In observance of Eid al-Fitr or the Feast of Ramadan. Mga kapatid nating Muslim. Okay? Once again, that's gonna be April 1, 2025. Okay? So, may nagtanong, bakit sa calendar daw, March 31? Yan. Sa March 31 kasi yung parang, alam mo yun yung simula. Pero yung April 1 na yung tama ba? Am I right? Yeah, okay. Ayan. Sa pagkakaalam ko, gabi ng 31, sabing gano'n, hudyat ng pagdiriwang ng Eid al-Fitr. Ayun, yun. Okay? Yan. Opo, pasensya na sa mga kapatid nating Muslim, hindi na masyadong familiar. Yan. Pero now, salamat doon sa nagbigay ng impormasyon. Yan. Yun. May factor yata yun when they celebrate this. Yung pagbilog ng buwan sa 31, syempre, simula na. Hudyat na ng Feast of Ramadan. Yun. Okay? So, sa mga kapatid nating Muslim, yan. Okay? It's Ramadan season for you guys. Okay? And kaisa ninyo ang buong bayan sa pagsiselebra. That's the proclamation number 839. Ano po? Okay? And couple of job announcements here. Mga naghahanap ng trabaho. Job vacancy for you. Okay? Sa Subic Bay Freeport, sa SBMA Labor Department, merong labor receiving section at the Subic Gym. Okay? Pwede magpasa ng resume doon. Dali lang, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangang puntahan yung bawat company na babanggitin ko. Ito na nga. Barista is needed at Street Eats Food and Beverage Kiosk. Okay? Male or female. Yan. Also, they are looking for cook and sales lady. Closing date is March 31. And Kresk Incorporated is looking for a production operator, male, female, high school graduate, college level, vocational technical course. Must be hardworking and honest. Yun. Alam mo, nakakatawa yung mga ganyang job openings, no? Na okay lang kung high school graduate, college level, vocational, technical, kahit di ba? Kasi at the end of the day, it all boils down sa ano yung kaya mong gawin, di ba? Ano yung kaya mo? Ano yung kakayahan mo, di ba? Kahit na you have all the degrees pero kulang naman sa diskarte, di ba? Merong mga hindi graduate pero madiskarte, maabilidad. Dapat mabigyan din sila ng chance. Ganun yun And nakakatuwa, nowadays marami ng company ang ganun yung mindset sa paghahanap ng workers nila or employees. Ayan, Kresk Incorporated. Once again, production operator. April 4 ang closing. Pacific Ocean Maritime Training and Services Corporation is looking for a school director. All right, they are indeed a school director. More job openings for you. The NIDEC Subic Philippines Corporation is looking for a purchasing engineer. All right. What else? Sales engineer as well. April 15, the deadline. Future Link Incorporated, production operator. Closing is on April 10. Jokin Sangyo Philippines Corporation is looking for a welder/fabricator and electrical maintenance personnel. Also, mechanical maintenance. Okay, April 15 is the closing date. All right. Ichiban Import and Export is looking for a purchasing staff/messenger. Closing date March 31, 2025. Okay? Daming job openings, oh. Hindi totoong walang trabaho. Oh. Pagsikapan mo lang maghanap, mag-apply, no? Marami. Sa Subic Bay Freeport lalo na. Ano? Alright? Yung mga companies dyan. It's being managed, of course, by the SBMA. SBGP Food Services Incorporated is looking for an accounting officer. March 31, the deadline. JFI Incorporated is in need of an accounting assistant. Closing date, April 16. And also, AP accountant. All right, electrical maintenance. This is for Tonglung Metal, by the way. Tonglung Philippines Metal. AP accountant, whatever that means. Electrical maintenance and mechanical maintenance personnel. All right. March 25, 2025. Fabric 8. Membrane Services Incorporated is looking for a production staff. March 31 is the deadline. Sigara Subic Bay Properties is looking for food dispatcher, cooks, IT officer. March 31, 2025 is the deadline. Dasos 1 Plantations Incorporated is in need of a driver. March 20, kahapon to, no? Nag-end na kahapon. Ayan, okay. Anyways, PPCI Subic Incorporated at the Harbor Point is looking for a section supervisor, checkout supervisor, wholesale supervisor, inventory control staff, management trainee. Deadline is on March 24. Subic Bay Boat Works and Marine Tech Company is in need of an admin staff. CNC machine operator. Deadline is April 1, 2025. Western Infocom Philippines is looking for an automation engineer, repair engineers, PCB layout design engineers, PCB layout design assistants. March 31 is the deadline. Okay? And ano pa? Ang dami pa. Oh my. Maubusan yata ako hininga sa dami nito. CSD Global 88 Logistics Corporation is looking for a trailer truck driver. Alright? Tayan Subic is in need of a marketing assistant. Deadline is on March 31. Harbor Center Port Terminal Incorporated is looking for a quality engineer or TQM. Compensation and benefits officer, training officer, occupational health nurse, vessel foreman, which is on-call, pati rin checker on-call din, pati all-purpose personnel on-call din. Also, equipment operator or watchman, signalman, also operator, HEQ trailer driver. All right. Also in need of electricians, port facility team lead foreman, mason carpenters. March 25 is the deadline. Ang dami, no? Those are the job openings for Harbor Center Port Terminal Incorporated. And Polar Marine Incorporated is looking for an accounting staff, a painter, assembler. March 21 is the deadline. Ay, kahapon, sorry. All right. Materian Singapore Philippine branch is looking for an assembly mechanic technician. Closing date March 31. SOL Manpower Services looking for line cook, kitchen supervisor, service host, food and beverage supervisor, front office agent, kitchen steward, on-call nurse. March 31 is the deadline. And lastly, Freeport Cable Inc. is in need of a cable TV technician, electronics computer technician. March 31 is the deadline. Those are the lots and lots and lots of job openings. Maraming trabaho. Sipagan lang mag-apply. Maraming pwedeng applyan, ha? Okay? And all of these job openings that I mentioned, pwede nyong bisitahin sa page ng Labor Department sa Subic Bay, Freeport, SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. There you go. All right. Just look it up. SBMA Labor Department on Facebook. Nakapost po lahat doon para makapili kayo at saka para makita nyo pa yung iba pang detalye sa mga job openings that I mentioned. All right. Uy, shout out muna sa paborito kong cafe, Brew Haven Olongapo. Open Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And nagde-deliver din through Maxim, Food Panda, order mo and grab. Okay? So for the best tasting coffee, dinner, merienda, and a whole lot more. Naku, ang dami. Hindi ko maano yung menu, ang dami, no? Meron silang tosilog, bang silog, silog, spam silog, tap silog. Meron ding ano ba to? Chicken wings and fries na iba't ibang flavor, burgers and fries. Meriendang masasarap. Brew Haven is located at Gordon Avenue in front of SSS. Ikaw at ang SSS, kabalikat ng bayan. Alam niyo yun? May commercial sila na ganun dati. Ako ko hanggang ngayon meron pa, no? Ikaw at ang SSS, kabalikat ng bayan. Okay, check out the invites for you coming from SM City Olongapo, Central, and Downtown. They are gonna be celebrating Women's Month. Kanina, March 22 at 2 p.m., in celebration of Women's Month, they had the free self-defense session and training and seminar for women, okay? In celebration of Women's Month. Wow, kanina po yun, ha? March 22. Pero, meron pa bukas to celebrate Women's Month. This month is all about you. Check out the free yoga session that they have just for you. March 23, tomorrow. Okay, Sunday, 4 p.m. at the Wellness Zone Level 3 of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, and also today is the celebration of Earth Hour. Okay, this year marks the 17th year of SM Supermall's participation in the Earth Hour campaign, reaffirming their commitment to environmental sustainability. SM will once again take part in the Global Lights Off initiative, where all participating malls will turn off non-essential lights as a symbolic act to conserve energy and raise awareness about climate change. Join the movement. All right? Today, March 22 at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, SM Earth Hour 2025. Okay? And check out the special offer from Kaizen, Women's Month promo, March 8 to 31, 2025, 30% off to all women customers. Yan, women customers lang, ha? Okay? Punta nga ako doon, magsusot ako ng saya. Magsusot ako ng wig na mahabang buhok kunyari. Para maka 30% discount. Kidding aside, Kaizen offers Women's Month promo, okay? Yung $4.99 unlimited beef, pork, and juices, $3.49 na lang. Wow. $89 down to $62. And add your Unli drinks. Wow. Unli shrimp naman, $89 down to $62. 30% off for all women. Wow. Okay, and also join the blood donation campaign that SM is going to be doing March 25, Tuesday, for SM Downtown, and March 27, Thursday at SM Central. Okay, both from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The mobile blood donation. Okay, give the gift of life. Donate blood para sa mga kababayan natin na nangangailangan ng dugo yan, ha? Okay, alam niyo ba maganda yung magiging health benefits pag nagdo-donate ka ng dugo regularly? You can donate every 3 months. Yan, pwede. Okay? And lastly, Fun Ventures is finally at SM City Olongapo Downtown's roof deck at the 7th floor. Adventure Park. Redefining outdoor fun with an exciting mix of activities and breathtaking views, located at the 7th floor roof deck of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, this unique entertainment venue offers a range of thrilling rides and attractions, perfect for adventures for all ages. Okay, so those are the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check it out. All right, and I guess time for me to say goodbye. It's almost 8. I'm going to be playing. So the remaining time for 8, I'm going to be playing a couple of, back-to-back Golden Age of radio songs. Yeah, 70s, 80s, and 90s, and a whole lot more. All right, thank you for joining me. Thank you for jamming with me. This has been the March 22, 2025 edition of this radio show. It's called The Golden Age of Radio. Dito lang sa Radyo Bandera 107.1, coming to you live from Holy Spirit Village in the heart of the city of Olongapo, beautiful city of Olongapo. So in behalf here of everybody at 107.1 FM, Radyo Bandera Olongapo, this has been DJ Tommy G for this radio show, saying peace. I'm out of here and enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Happy weekend, everybody. Happy weekend. Bye-bye. Here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from Boy George, The Culture Club. 1984's Karma Chameleon. All right.